Eurovision's all about sequence. You guys got the sequence. Amazing.
You're all in this together, so as long as you each have each other's back on stage and you all come together as one. Good night, live, Colleen. You at the end, like you show your fist, like because it looks like you're like a ninja, like. Do you know what I mean? Like you're not gonna mess with me.
Yeah, don't be insecure about this. Actually, it's really, really cool. It looks like you're wearing like a glove. And it was cool when you held the microphone. I felt, and you don't always have to hold it, but like
that's what you do in a song. That's what Westlife and all the boy bands do. Okay, they sing a little bit, and then the song progresses, take it out, and it's like.
Yeah, you can do that.
And you start like, yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Level.
That's next level. Seriously, no one's pulling that move in this competition right now.
Gunari and Tala, Adam.
Go me the maga.
That was really, really cool. It was such a good like voice and like the whole presence. And it's a really good song as well. Don't be scared. Like you can do whatever. Like here in the microphone, you can just grab it or like look out or like something. Just like,
Jimmy, like you're thinking about where are you now? You should be like where, looking around, like where. Like you're literally like, where are you? Yeah. Where the song's about. They're gonna be watching us going, I'm here, but I'm not there right now, and I'll call you later. Tá an Gira a chocht, Chloe Winters.
Get out of here, Taylor Swift. Talk. Do you get me? Like you're singing like such good notes. Just like to really like emphasize that you're getting them, because like you could sing, but then when people see actions as well, even just a simple like look to the camera.
And even as a song as it builds and builds, you can build as well. You can start off kind of small and build. Tá an Aaron Gahalin.
Will to Ray.
Tommy Ray.
Let's do this.
Tasha Kasula Emer Quinn.
Well, I think your singing is very like, I love all the tones to it, the way you like, it sounds like kind of, don't you get those different characteristics in your voice? Like it does character to your voice. If you're able to sing in Irish, you can do anything.
Yeah, you can sing in French, you can sing in Spanish. The Spanish market is a massive market. Justin Bieber just did a song in Spanish and it's #1 all over the world.
Gunari lads.
Go.
Go,